Hi guys, Mrs. Giroux here with our new unit on color. We know to look up at the screen, the board, okay, to find out what we're doing, why we're doing it. So our project focus is focusing on color this week. Color is our next element of design, of art and design. We're just going to discover many ways in which our element color influences our lives. Why are we doing this? So that we'll be able to identify and analyze color schemes and then apply that color theory to original art that we create. Another word for scheme is a color group, but let's refer to it as a color scheme, such as a primary color scheme would involve 3 colors, red, yellow, and blue. It's a grouping of colors, okay? Our color selections can even determine success in the business world, and we're going to watch a really cool video which relates to not only fast food, but we talked about power ties and the meaning and psychology behind colors. Excuse me. Later on this week, I let the kids know that we're going to be doing the second stage in our art critique. We went over what description was. The next stage is analysis, and this is going to tie in just beautifully with our color theme for this week. So we're going to emphasize color when we're analyzing a masterwork of art. So much color vocabulary is in this chapter. So we're going to be using this the next 2 or 3 weeks. You'll find color vocabulary resources on our e-class page, on the preview and acquire of 3 color units. So you can work ahead if you're at home on getting your color vocabulary list done. Your art binder, we are going to be referring to a definition sheet as well as examples. And we're going to be completing a worksheet today which will have a lot of examples that you're going to color code. We're also going to be having many discussions and videos, and you can find most of these on your class Pinterest page on the color unit. Lots of videos. Okay. Then we went ahead and we went to this screen. This is on your e-class. See if I can get it right here in front. There we go. And this is week 6 preview, unit 4 color. Okay. And it says color is our next element of art unit. And it starts off with think color doesn't matter much. Think again. Designing your logo for your future company. All important. So a first impression is obviously the last impression, and then you need to go ahead and read the entire preview page. Okay. We talked about other resources in the room. We have color wheels up here at the front. Great color wheel there. It's actually interactive. You can actually move the white wheel around it. It has great color examples surrounding the color wheel. We have individual color wheels on our table. And we have our color wheel cabinet door. Lots of information is there. And of course you all have your resources online as well. Okay. Quickly go over here. Pardon me. So again, this is day 26. You're going to open up your e-class page. You're going to read the preview page, the psychology of color. Then you're going to open up your Pinterest color unit, and we're going to view the video called Effects of Color. Let's go up here. Okay, it's this one right here. It is important that you watch that. I'm going to ask some questions about it. We discussed it in class, so make sure that you have watched this. It covers a lot. Kind of interesting. I think you'll find the psychology of color very interesting. Okay. Just going over what I read to you up on the board. Okay. This is our handout that is in your art binder here at school. Defines color, lots of color definitions. Again, there's so many to put up on the board. So we have resources on e-class and the handouts. You're going to need this bottom section to complete the worksheet. Or if you're at home working, you're going to look these up online. This is our worksheet, again, day 26. Name goes up at the top. It's called the color scheme exercise. You are filling in a very, very brief definition, okay? And then over here to the side, you're using crayons and you're coloring in the examples. So for monochromatic, we learned that mono means one, chroma color. So this is a color scheme based on one color. So for instance, I could have red violet, red, and maybe pink. Okay, those are all in the same family. Okay, or I could start with blue and do dark blue, medium blue, light blue, monochromatic, based on one color. And the next one is warm colors. Then we have cool colors, complementary colors, split complementary colors. You'll need that handout to find out what that is. Triadic scheme, that's the most challenging for people to remember and to figure out, but it's once you get it, it's an interesting color scheme. Don't see it very often. Analogous color scheme, and that's a way to remember that is analogous starts with A. Alike begins with the word A, so sometimes family members look alike. Well, on your art color wheel, colors in the same family will look alike. For instance, yellow, yellow-orange, and orange, they all have yellow in common. You can't get orange or yellow-orange without having a little bit of yellow in there. Okay. Let's see. Next, we looked at very short videos. These are the videos on Goodbye Art Academy. They're very, very short. They give you very quick definitions in 15 seconds. So we watched complementary, we watched analogous, any of the ones that are on our color page on Pinterest. Watch any of those very quick definitions. That'll certainly get you caught up. And we talked about the importance that color plays in our world today. It can sway our thinking. It can change our actions. It can cause reactions. It can irritate or soothe your eyes. It can even raise your blood pressure, like the color red, or suppress your appetite. When used in the right ways, color can even save energy consumption. As a powerful form of communication, color is irreplaceable. Red means stop and green means go. Traffic lights send this universal message. Likewise, the colors used for product, website, business cards, or logo cause powerful reaction. In other words, color matters. That's kind of a fun website right here. It's a color survey. Gets you thinking. If you wanted to look that one up, you don't have to do that part, but that is kind of a fun activity. All right, and again, we completed our color scheme page, and we're familiar with all of these terms. We're going to put some of those into action tomorrow, so hope to see you tomorrow on day 27. Thanks. Bye-bye.